Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix any kind of layout issue, whether it could be if you're seeing some very small text or very large text, or your menu is messed up. Now in order to fix all that, just simply go to the settings. Here in the settings, scroll down until you see this option of accessibility. Click over there and here you see this option that says text readability. If you're having a very low text size on your screen and you want to increase it or decrease it, you can simply adjust this using this controller. Or if you are facing any density issue, like things are overlapping over each other, you can simply select this option that says spacious. So once you select it, you'll notice that that if anything is overlapping each other, you can simply fix that, or you can just simply edit the text size from here. Here you can see it can be easily customizable, so it can easily solve all your issues. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.